What's up? Back here with episode 2 of the Titans reboot. So, yep, hope you guys enjoy. This week we're playing against the Chargers. So, yep. And we're also going to shorten the quarters some. Full on field goal. Oh, yeah. Let's put it down to 3 minutes. So, yep, let's start our game. Oh, just so you guys know, I traded DeAndre Hopkins for Terry McLaurin. So, yep, I just got a new X Factor to our team. He has ankle breaker. So if we do get him, so it was so that we can have a more balanced attack, so that we have like a number one target for running and passing the ball. I know that DeAndre Hopkins was a number one target, but I felt like we could get a better number one target, so that's what we did. All right, start up the game. Oh, apparently the Eagles destroyed the Vikings 44-14. Dang. Did not expect that. Alright. On defense first. Let's go. Throw it. Oh, that was a nice read. Come on, we have to beat them. They have Easton Stick at quarterback. They don't even have Justin Herbert. Oh, Keenan Allen. Alright. Let's go. Ooh. Alright. We have to stop this pass from the Chargers, because they're kind of cooking. Ooh, nice deflection, but we should have had the pick. What are they showing? Well, we already saw this last game. Oh my god. I think we might need some new corners this season, so I might try to trade for one. Fake. Come on. Oh, come on, guys. I should have had that pick. Or at least watered it down or something. Oh, they're in the red zone. No, I'm gonna blitz. I'm gonna be at D-line. Oh, Into the first quarter. We got Jeffrey Simmons. Come on, get him. Let's go. Easton Stick sacked. Alright, so the blitz seems to be working. So let's keep doing it. Okay, they have to score. And they're on the 1 yard line, so. Two-minute warning. That's no touchdown. Alright, it's 4th down. They should be going for it, but if they don't, they're not going for it. My opinion, that's a bad decision by the Chargers. Alright. Now we get the ball. At least they started with ball first, so that means that we get the ball at half. Debut for Terry McLaurin. Or as some people call him, Scary Terry. I think it's holding on us. Yep. Lyle Collins. That sends us all the way back to... Alright. I might actually try this 1v1 with Terry McLaurin. Yep, I'll try that. I'll try. Come on. Oh, no, incomplete. 2nd and 20s. Oh my god. Alright, send Scary Terry on the street. Cut up. Oh my god. No. 3rd and 20. This is bad. Alright, we have to get this right here. Catch it. Ooh, one-hander. Alright. I think we need to go for it on 4th down. And Derrick Henry is going to be running the ball. So we have to get this. 1st down. Let's go. Oh, that was back throw by. Oh, come on. You've got to do better, Tim. You've got to do better, Tannehill. That's unacceptable. Alright, we might be trading for a new quarterback. No. Let's send the blitz. I don't know why. Alright, this is not good. Blitz them. Oh my. They're about to score, aren't they? It's gonna be 10-0. And it's crazy that this was all because of Tannehill. Oh, come on. We should have had that pick. Oh my. Oh, you're going for... Oh, that makes sense. Dang. Alright, we only have 1 second, so... Oh, no, let's just let it bounce into the end zone. Let's just keep that 1 second. And let's just go deep. 1 second left. 1 second left. Terry McLaurin. Oh, it's okay. At least we get ball. No, Tannehill threw an interception. Oh, I tried to get to the outside, but he's not that fast. Alright. I'm gonna try to... I'm gonna put in Will Levis, actually. Yeah, I'll put in Will Levis. Let's run it. We haven't been doing a lot of runs this game. I think only the start. Alright. Again. It's working. So why stop it? Alright, now I should do like a short, yeah, like mesh. I like that play. Alright. Oh, he's open. Terry McLaurin. Alright. Bruh. Huh? He's happy. Alright. Nope. Alright, at least he got the ball off. It's not what I was trying to do, but I guess it works. I kind of like it. This could be very good or very oh, good. Alright. RPO. Let's go. Is that a first? Yep, first down. Alright, that's a nice run. We have to read this field. Alright, let's do that. Juke! Dang it. At least we got the first. Alright, we have to come back from this. It's only 6-0, so I think if we waste some clock, it'll work. Oh, dang. What the? Oh. Let's just replug that in. Okay. Alright. Sorry, guys. Alright. Can Will Levis run? Because if this... Oh, okay. 2-minute warning. You know what? Let's waste some more clock. and then just do it at the last second. Alright, no timeouts, no timeouts. Let's waste some clock. Touchdown. Derrick Henry. King Henry. Alright, we gotta make this field goal though. Please. Let's go. We're up by 1 point. We just gotta avoid any score from the Chargers. Oh, wrong play. Oh, dang it. He got it off. I don't know how. He's not even that good. Let's go. Let's go, Jeffrey Simmons. Come on, come on. That's smart by them. What's his... Alright, 39-yard line. Okay, so we just gotta do what we've been doing recently, like right now. They have to go for it on 4th and 7. Oh no. Wait. Oh, okay. Incomplete. Come on, get off of it. Alright. We have to get a stop at least so we can have a chance at this game. Oh, dang it! He got the first. He's probably gonna make the field goal as well. Alright, we have to do this. Come on. No. Dang it. We probably just lost this game. Oh. 5 seconds left. No. Let's just go for Terry. And it's a pick. End of the game. We lost. The close games are the ones that hurt the most when you lose. Alright, but it's okay. We can just come back. Alright, it's okay. We're just 1-1. Alright, yeah, we're 1-1. Alright, well guys, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Peace.